and benefits of using research AI tools, and discussion on use of Zotero app. So to begin with, AI research tools are software applications powered by artificial intelligence that help researchers do their work faster, smarter and more efficiently. They can assist in nearly every part of the research process, starting from finding papers, summarizing complex information, and analyzing data, and writing reports and organizing citations. As studying systematic review of literature from database like PubMed and research, focusing on writing assistance, grammar improvement, structure optimization and other related aspects. And the results proved AI significantly revolutionizes academic writing and research across various domains. So this is a research done about AI in nursing research. So key features of AI tools in nursing research: for data analysis and pattern recognition, we have automated data processing, pattern discovery and predictive modeling. And for review literature and summarization, there is semantic search engines and automated summarization and citation analysis. And we have for experimentation and simulation, modeling complex systems, hypothesis generation and optimization algorithms. So for writing assistance also, we have drafting and editing, formatting and citation management. And for automation of repetitive tasks, so in the research normally when you see repeatedly will be, repeated writings will be there. So this data labeling and cleaning, survey analysis and routine data collection. So it will streamline everything and give you a data. And visualization and interpretation, data visualization tools are there, and from the selected tools it will extract the data and give you. So categories of AI research tools. So when you see, it is categorized under literature review tools for discovering, organizing and summarizing study searches, and data analysis tool for processing and visualizing research data, and writing and editing tools for improving academic writing quality. So we can say the AI research tool, and we can categorize them under 6 domains. That is, when you see on the top, you have idea, development and research design. Under that comes idea generation and brainstorming, and research planning and study design. And the next one is content development and structuring. Under that, writing assistance, text structuring, and visual and multimedia integration will come. And literature review and synthesis, where we have extracting and analyzing and synthesizing literature and summarizing the tables. And when you come to data management and analysis, you have data analysis and interpretation and data set management. And editing, review and publishing support, we have writing refinement and proofreading, and publishing assistance and review responses. And under the category communication, outreach and ethical compliances, the final step of nursing research, where it will disseminate and outreach the data, and finally comes ethical and integrity assurance. So all these things you will get from AI. So we'll see the function-wise AI tools. So under literature search and review, there are many applications actually. So I'm just naming few here as tools. So Semantic Scholar uses AI to surface relevant academic papers, extract citations and find connections. And we have Elicit by Art, that is an AI assistant for literature reviews, great for papers, summarizing papers, extracting methods and finding answers from academic articles. And we have Research Rabbit, visual tool for discovering and tracking papers and authors. And we have Connected Papers, helps find related works and map out and reach landscape from a single paper. So when you go to AI tool writing and summarizing alone, you have Cite AI, Cite.ai adds context to citations. example, supporting and contradicting, and generate summaries of scientific findings. And Trinka AI, I think you might have heard about this, academic writing assistant tailored for research grammar, tone and style. And Rightful improves writing quality by suggesting edits using a database of academic tests. And PaperPal, I think you might have heard, real-time grammar and style suggestion, especially useful for ESL authors. There's nothing but English speaking learners. So the tool for data analysis and statistical tools alone. So we have the IBM SPSS, I think all of us know, with AI enhancement. This is AI-based predictive analysis features. And JAS for Jamovi with the GPT plugins. So this is a simplified stats with an AI-powered explanation layer. And ChatGPT plus code interpreter that it clean, analyze and visualize data using R. And then when you say the experiment design and planning, you have Elicit, which is designing experiments by breaking down research questions and suggesting approaches. And consensus.app answers questions using scientific consensus drawn from literature. So AI tool function wise, again, citation and reference management. Zotero, I think you might have heard Zotero. Zotero with the Zotero GPT plugins for analyzing sources plus AI powered tagging and summarizing. EndNote with AI, find citations and formal references quickly. So when you compare all these applications, each has some special benefits which is not available in others. Just to say, it's Zotero, you can see, get the literature, review literature, you can use that. EndNote review literature, you can use. When you see Grammarly app, you can use for writing assistance and plagiarism reduction. Like that, each application has few things and doesn't have other things. So the scientific AI tools in research, when you see Humata, that is a tool, Humata AI app that allows users to upload their PDF article for generate scrapped custom data about the document. So we can just download this. Some are paid versions and some are free versions. So when you just download it and upload a PDF article, it just synthesizes you the pure content of the article from the search engine. Thousands of reviews are there in that, so you get a pure data. And then the tool allows users to ask a question about the given document and it describes all the things in formal language. So the prompt questioning is very important to get the answers for your data. So the tool is time saving for the researchers for their literature review and other documentation review purpose. The free version tool has one limitation, the PDF should be less than 20 pages. So AI tool Typeset.io to easily create and format manuscripts in required editorial format for submission. Import their manuscripts or article, choose from a variety of pre-designed templates. Wide range of publishing formats including academic journals, books, conference proceedings and research reports. Used by individual authors, academic institutions and publishing houses worldwide. So this says used by individual authors, academic institutions. When we use by academic institutions, we get a lot of free versions of this application. And AI tool Elicit, I mentioned you, this uses natural language processing, NLP, algorithm to understand the user's query and provide personalized research results. This is what all AI tools do. So they collaborate feature that allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. ChatGPT, now all of us know, right? So ChatGPT can generate ideas on a wide range of topics related to search and technical writing. Answering research questions, ChatGPT can provide quick and accurate answers to research questions. And summarizing research papers, ChatGPT can help with summarizing and synthesizing research papers. And the tool Quillbot this technique to generate alternative version of the text. This is for say paraphrasing, right? So for that we can use this. So this improves the quality and clarity of writing. So the default standard mode generates paraphrased text that is readable and natural sounding. So the fluency mode is optimized for readability and flow, while the creative mode generates more unique and creative version of the text. Normally in plagiarism, articles get rejected, right? So that can be avoided when you use this application. Then lab archives. So this one, dubbed the electronic lab notebook for modern scientists. When you see here, data are stored on a secure and easily accessible platform. It is purpose-built for scientists and allows browsing of even DNA files to meet needs. So the files which stores all the genetic information from a lot of search engines, even that it has a privacy. Even that files also, this lab archives can invade and get the data for us. With AI, this is a powerful all-in-one document management application and collaboration application that allows users to create, share and collaborate on documents in real time. So it offers a variety of features such as rich media embedding, customizable templates, visual web links, social media posts and surveys that enable users to create documents, presentations, wikis, Wikipedias, okay, knowledge bases and projects. Some of the practical examples in our scenario. Recently in India, Aster CMA Hospital in Bangalore has developed a screening tool to diagnose carpal tunnel syndrome. And scientists from Kyoto University, Japan and IIT Roorkee, India have created an AI-based model to predict the glioma grading from brain MRI, which help to treat the brain tumors. An USA-based company named Intel and the University of California have partnered with the 29 international institutions, including Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, to create an AI model for early detection of brain tumor. And Medtronic India has partnered with the Cure.ai to develop an AI-based tool for early detection and management for stroke patients. So what else we need? From the brain tumor till carpal tunnel syndrome, everything is diagnosed by AI. So we can easily diagnose, treat and prevent the complications by using AI. And a lot more. We have smart stethoscope to detect heart failure, AI in accident and emergency. So it says, have you had a heart attack? It can even tell whether we had a silent heart attack earlier. And AI could diagnose lung cancer more accurately. Are these lung nodules cancerous? So when Sir said, Melvin Sir, he has given so many examples, very, very informative that session was. So we just upload the nodule in the application. It just tells you whether these nodules are cancerous. And then AI predicted cancer more accurately, it predicts cancer more accurately than brute score. So it's really wonderful. And AI could predict the progression of the disease. Will I develop wet age-related macular degeneration in my other eye? If you have in single eye, maybe due to diabetes or some hypertension complication, it can even predict whether you are liable to get it in another eye. AI can assess the risk of flare-ups in ulcerative colitis. Which drugs are effective for my lung cancer? So it can personalize cancer and surgical treatment. Should surgery go ahead if I have COVID-19? Can I go ahead with surgery if I have COVID-19? Everything you have an answer in the AI. Who needs to attend accident and emergency? Whether do I have that kind of a problem? How many emergency beds will be needed? Even that can be predicted by using AI. So maintaining responsibility while using AI, that is very important. Care should be taken to prevent plagiarism while using AI and research. When we have a lot of data, automatically plagiarism happens. So we have to be very careful in that. One must implement the following steps to prevent plagiarism and maintain academic integrity. That is, seek ethical AI tools, whichever is relevant, whichever is approved by our legislative bodies, that if you use, definitely you will have ethics in that. Comprehend the purpose of AI research too. We have to have a skeletal plan of which tool we are going to use and what data we are going to get from that. Paraphrase information or use quotations if it is a definition. So you don't get the raw data and just produce it. You paraphrase it and you produce it clearly by using quotations or whatever is needed in a definition or a sentence. Cite sources, very very important. From which source you have taken the particular content. Proofread and edit AI generated content, very important. Just like our ordinary research, what we do a lot of proofreading, right? The same way, even you get it from AI also, you need to proofread it. Otherwise, this won't be a sound and ethical one. So benefits of using research in AI tools. After knowing all this, you know that it will definitely save your time. And enhanced collaboration. You get from lot of areas combined and you are getting it in one nutshell. And improved accuracy will be there. And also deeper insight you can get into a problem or a project. So now just to take a sample of one app, I've just taken this Zotero app. That is, the use of Zotero is available in the above YouTube link. So you can just take a picture of that and you can browse it. It will guide you step by step how you have to get into that, how you have to install, and how you can do your entire research with that. So this is again the referencing done by the ICMR site. So from there we have taken. So this is a free, open source and easy to use reference management software to manage bibliographical data, web browser integration, online synchronizing and generation of in-text citations. So what it can do? Collect, organize, do citation, stay in synchronization and collaborate. All these activities this Zotero can do. So it's again easy way of installation. Download Zotero desktop app from zotero.org. When you go to ICMR site, you can see on the right, on the left corner, go to zotero.org download. So when you download, you will get the next page, login online Zotero. So you go to logins, then you click on the download button, you get the plugins. Install Zotero connector, automatically save web sources. This Zotero connector, when you go there, this will have display this page. So you can click on the option to see the preferences, click preference, click synchronization. So create a free Zotero account. Synchronize your library across devices. So you can, your own project also, you can upload there as a library. See, there, click this folder with this sign. You get the design thinking, my publications, this is your library. Then when you go there, you can enter name of this collection. Name the folder with your preferred research topic. You can put and just say OK. So to create folders and collections by project or topic, tag entries and add notes for contents. And give OK, it will give you all the data from the search engines. So save Zotero from the sources. Database, research articles, web portals, newspapers, articles, blogs, PDFs, everything this application has. So you get the data from there, and then on this ICMR platform itself, you can get the Microsoft Word installed through that, and then select the site and install the Microsoft add-in. So when you do that, see install Zotero plugin for Word Library Office, use add citation. So when you do that, the next thing is automatically the citations comes. So automatically generate a bibliography from there. Choose citation style, whether you want APA style or whatever style you want, MLA, Chicago, etc. Collaborate and share. Create the joint group libraries, share references and work collaboratively. I think I am going too much in this. So it is that install Zotero plugin for a library or word use. Use add citation to insert references as you write. So you can browse through the YouTube and get to know more about Zotero and you keep using it. So future recommendations, AI tools. Promote responsible AI tool. Enhance human AI collaboration. That is what the essence of this conference. Enhance human AI collaboration. Improve interoperability and integration. Among yourself, you use it. As a group also you can use it. Advance AI literacy in academia. So in the academics, incorporate a lot of AI. Invest in custom AI models, standard ones. Encourage open science and transparency. Monitor and evaluate AI tool performance. So never think that it's from AI. You will have to monitor the credibility of that. That is it. So to conclude, AI tools can help researchers save time and improve the quality of their work. It can streamline the nursing research process by enhancing literature reviews, data analysis and writing clarity. They support evidence-based practice through predictive modeling and clinical data interpretations. Tools like Zotero, SPSS and ChatGPT improve efficiency and accuracy. Overall, AI empowers nurses to produce high-quality, impactful, meaningful researches. This is a drawback in technology. So our future success hinges on our ability to embrace AI and use it for good. But never mind, predicting the future is not magic, it is artificial intelligence. So keep this as a slogan for you. That's according to Dave Waters. Thank you all.